In this video, I will explore the highly anticipated RingConn Gen 3 review to see how this new successor stacks up against its predecessor and the current smart ring competition. When comparing this third-generation model to previous versions, the most immediate contrast is the expanded feature set designed for serious health tracking. RingConn has introduced vascular health insights and next-generation sensing that provide a more granular look at your body's data compared to older, basic heart rate rings. A major standout in this comparison is the battery life. While many competitors struggle to last a week, the Gen 3 offers up to 14 days of power, effectively doubling the standard trade-off between device size and longevity. You also get the convenience of the universal charging case, which is a significant upgrade for those who travel frequently. The color options have also expanded, allowing you to choose between finishes like Future Silver, Royal Gold, and Matte Black to fit your personal style. For those looking at budget flexibility, the $349 price point is balanced by the fact that you can use HSA or FSA funds to cover the cost. Whether you are focused on the new smart vibration alerts or the deep health metrics, this ring aims to be a top-tier contender in the wearable market. Thanks for watching my breakdown of the latest hardware. If you found this comparison helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tech reviews, and let me know in the comments if you think the 2-week battery life makes this the new king of smart rings.